Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this. So this is the Rubik's Perplexus Hybrid 2x2, which is a combination of a Rubik's Cube and a Perplexus, even though you can't see the marble. Anyway, so I am going to be ruining the packaging because I don't have a knife. Put on scissors. You get scissors. Gotcha. Okay, so we're having a bit of trouble opening this.
Scissors coming up.
Ethan, do not run with scissors like that. Ethan, that is super dangerous.
Okay.
Mommy! Ethan ran with scissors, and this scissors tip was pointing the wrong direction, and he said, okay, when I told him they ran with scissors. And that was very dangerous. Okay. So, it's actually a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And, wow. Okay, here it is. First, I am going to be checking out how this turns. Oh my god, this is terrible. Hold on. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do that exact same thing on this. Terrible. What even is the marble? So you see, there is a little marble down there that you use to put it on. I don't know where this...
Alright, I'll find it.
Hold on.
Oh, found it. I found it. I saw it.
Show me.
Here.
That one? Okay. So you put it on the start.
Alright,
And you use it. So, he will show you how you're doing it. You have to find the... Hold on, I want to show you guys something. So basically, we have this number 1. It's hard to see it.
Alright, that's an arrow.
No, there's number 1. 1 over there. It's really hard to see it. And then you have to find 2 on the cube.
Give me it.
Hold on, I'm showing. Hold on.
Let me do it.
Find 2 on the cube.
Give me it.
There. And match it with number 1. Like this. Even though you can't see it very well.
Okay.
So, you can try.
Do I have Donnie's number? Second of all, there's 2
Here we go.
Okay.
Let me try that again.
Yes, so that's how this works. Now we are going to play with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.